Okay, so once you log in, you're going to click on Food Peru Juniors Cooking Club. Click on that and you'll access your course and you'll see the completion right here. I'm 25% complete. You will see all the modules as well. So there's the welcome module, module number 1, which is the kitchen basics, module 2, learn simple but delicious homemade sauces. Then there's easy treats, easy snacks, introduction to baking bread, then making your own healthy breakfast, taco night for the whole family, spaghetti night for the whole family with different sauces and noodles, and learn how to bake a whole chicken a couple different ways and with all the sides. So like if you wanted to see what's in module number 3, you would just click on it and then you'll see that there's an intro video. Then there's videos to make buckeyes and cookies and graham crackers. And then each module you'll also be able to come in here because Hazel wants to know what your favorite treat was to make. So every time you go through a module, you're going to come in here and answer Miss Hazel here, and I'll let her know what's going on. And you just go to here, click on comment, and then you would go ahead and type in your comment. Now let's pretend to go through module number 7, which is taco night. So you click on the intro video and you would hit play and listen to me even more, and we'll talk about introducing this particular module. Then you're going to click complete and continue, and then we're going to show you how to make the taco seasoning, and then there's going to be how to do the taco spices and what I suggest to add in it, and then also how to shred cheese, and then making corn tostadas from scratch, or making homemade tortilla wraps from scratch as well. You just keep, after you watch everything, you just go ahead and keep clicking complete and continue. And it's keeping track of where you've been, where you've left off, making refried beans, just kind of putting it all together so your child can see how to plate everything up and serve it for you for dinner. What a wonderful thing, right? And then would be where you would answer Hazel, what was your favorite part of taco night? And then again, you hit complete. And then the next module is 8, where we're talking about spaghetti. And we're doing noodles and how to boil water and make, just get the perfect noodle, then making homemade sauce, making garlic bread or French bread, and then again, plating the meal. And then you could do that with the chicken as well, how to make homemade French fries and bone broth and the chicken in the oven or in the crock pot, using the leftovers to make chicken pot pie. So you see there's actually 10 different modules with lots and lots of lessons that include videos on most of everything except for where Hazel was asking something. And then there's also a bunch of bonuses that I keep adding in here as well, different videos or recipes. And all the recipes are in the 65 plus page workbook that you will get in the welcome module that you will download and print, and it's beautiful and it has all the recipes and to help go along with the step-by-step directions that the videos have. So if you have any questions, just send me an email, laura@foodperu.com, or just go ahead and sign on up, and I'll see you in the cooking club.